Today on Mr. Music Man TV, Mr. Andrew needs help with his ABCs from our Rockstars of the Week. Mr. Met has 5 little monkeys to deal with. Miss Shay takes us to Australia to learn and play the Didgeridoo. And what's the word of the day? Mr. Raw performs the answer. Coming up first, I'm having trouble remembering my ABCs. I think I'm gonna need some help. Lucky for me, I have 2 rock stars of the week who really know how to sing their ABCs. Please welcome Theo and his little sister, Luella. Wait for it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Everybody put your hands up, put your hands up, put your hands in the air, put your hands up, put your hands up, put your hands up. Freeze!
1, 2, 3, 4.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Everybody wave your hands, wave your hands, wave your hands in the air, wave your hands, wave your hands, wave your hands. Freeze!
1, 2, 3, 4.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Everybody put your hands up, put your hands up, put your hands in the air, put your hands up, put your hands up, put your hands up, put your hands in the air, put your hands up, wave your hands, wave your hands, wave your hands in the air, wave your hands, wave your hands, wave your hands, wave your hands in the air, wave your hands. Move to the left now, move to the left now, move to the left. Come on, now move to the right now, move to the right now, move to the right. Put your left arm up, put your right arm up. Now everybody clap those hands, clap, 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 clap.
All right, little monkeys, let's get ready for our lesson today. 5 little monkeys jumping on a bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. All right, beatbox kid, let's go to 4.
4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. All right, Mr. Music, it's your turn again. 3 little monkeys, let's go.
3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. All right, beatbox kid, I think I'm dreaming.
Jumping on the bed before you fall down and bump your little head. Oh, oh, yeah. Oh, oh, oh.
Right back to the song. 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. All right, Mr. Music, you up. 1 little monkey. Here we go.
1 little monkey jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. All right, everybody, let's sing it.
No little monkeys jumping on the bed. None fell off and bumped their heads. Called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed.
All right,
little monkeys, stop jumping on the bed before you fall down and bump your little head. Oh, 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 yeah. Oh, oh, oh.
Wave!
Oh,
Awesome job, Ray. You got it. Work it out.
Before you fall down and bump your little head. Oh, oh, oh.
And now it's time for awesome music stuff.
Hey everyone! We have a new instrument to talk about today, but first we need to look at a map of our 7 continents. So, which continent are we going to visit today? Well, guess what? We are going to Australia! Yes, the land down under. There are so many animals that live in Australia, like the kangaroo. Can you hop like a kangaroo? Nice job! What do you think kangaroos like to eat? Carrots? What about leaves and green grass? Yes, because kangaroos are herbivores. Can you say herbivores? Nice job. What do you call a baby kangaroo? A joey is what we call a baby kangaroo. There are also wombats that live in Australia as well. Aren't these some really funny looking animals? What do you think wombats like to eat? Pretty much the same diet as kangaroos. Yes, because wombats are herbivores as well. There's another animal that lives in Australia called the dingo. A dingo is another name for a wild dog. These dogs live out in the wild and they fend for themselves. What do you think dingoes like to eat? Do you think they like to eat carrots too? Or maybe leaves? No! Dingoes don't eat carrots and vegetables and leaves. They like to eat meat because they are carnivores. Can you say carnivores? Nice job.
We interrupt awesome music stuff to bring you this important message.
And now back to awesome music stuff. Before we were so rudely interrupted.
Here is our instrument from Australia. Yes, this is the didgeridoo. Can you say didgeridoo?
Sounds right.
Nice job. The didgeridoo is made out of wood. And when you play it, you're going to blow air inside of it, just like this. Can you blow air with your lips like this? Yeah, you got it. So since the didgeridoo is made out of wood and we use air to make the music, it is considered a woodwind instrument. Can you say woodwind? Nice job. The saxophone, the clarinet, and the flute are also woodwinds too. The didgeridoo comes in so many different sizes. You can have short ones or really long ones. Now, who do you think plays the didgeridoo? Do you think kangaroos play the didgeridoo? No, I don't think kangaroos can play the didgeridoo. What about people? Like you and me. Yes, we play the didgeridoo. The didgeridoo is traditionally played by a group of indigenous people that live in Australia called the Aborigines. Can you say Aborigines? Nice job! Alright, now it's time for me to play my didgeridoo. Are you ready?
Alright everyone, thanks for watching. And remember, we learned about the kangaroo, the dingo, and the wombat, and how the didgeridoo is a part of the woodwind family, just like the saxophone, the clarinet, and the flute. If you have any videos of you playing a woodwind instrument, send them in, and you could be featured in our next episode.
This has been another episode of Awesome Music Stuff.
Mr. Music Man's Word of the Day! It's time for our Word of the Day! Can I get a drum roll, please? Our Word of the Day is...
Woodwind.
That's right! And today my friend Mr. Rob is gonna tell us all about it. So put your hands together and please welcome Mr. Rob!
It's good to see you guys again. I'm going to dedicate a song to you. You guys know it because we talked about it in class before. See you guys soon.
Mr. Music Man's Word of the Day! Hey Mom and Dad, be sure to help your children say and use our Word of the Day this week. And if you and your kids are enjoying our classes, smash our subscribe button and follow us on Facebook and Instagram to be the first to receive our latest class every week. And if your child wants more Mr. Music Man, you can go to MrMusicManCompany.com/TV, where you can find classes from all of our Mr. Music Man locations all together in one place.